Um, Nothing. Interesting. All the many.
In one word, what makes an entrepreneur?
A lot of resilience.
Who made you cry?
Our customers, when they post negative reviews, it makes me cry. It doesn't happen quite often.
How would your customer describe RepairDesk in 3 words?
You will have to ask our customers what they say. Our customer service is pretty amazing.
Who taught you about the industry more than anybody else?
By working with our customers, we learned a lot about the repair industry, to be honest. Yeah.
You have the opportunity to have a dinner party with 4 of your favorite merchants in the world. Who's on that list?
So number 1 would be Dennis Goodso from First Response Phone Repair, Alex Marini from Conveyor Belt Doctor, Travis from 4 Square Repair, Jeff Baker from One Byte Technology.
What's the best lunch that you've ever had with a merchant?
I remember we went to a really expensive restaurant in Atlanta, Georgia, but the part I didn't like was I had to pay the bill. It was like $600.
Who would you want to have a boxing match with in the repair industry?
David from TE Repairs,
All right, why is that?
because he drives me nuts.
What's your favorite part of being at RepairDesk?
I'm talking to merchants every day.
What makes RepairDesk unique? When is the day that you will finally stop worrying about RepairDesk?
When I sell my company,
Describe RepairDesk in 3 words.
it's all about you.
And that is exactly what we have for our customers. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, RepairDesk is all about you.